Ah, it's so cold, right?
We need the fireplace on.
Yeah, we don't know how. I'm just gonna lay down.
I'm gonna sit right
under
here.
these covers.
Ow!
Wait,
Huh?
what's under here?
This seems like a Nerf Walking Dead gun.
Wait,
Is this a sniper?
I think it is.
Ready?
Ready? I think we should build our fort first.
And we need some other weapons like Nerf swords.
Deal, let's do it. What should I do first? There. What's this? Wait. No way. Yeah. Is this all? I'll bet you that there's something else. Wait, what's that? Down there. Wait, is this some sort of missile launcher? Can I put this on my gun? I can? I can. I'm ready.
I wish I built my fort. Ooh, I'm gonna go get those weapons back and I'm gonna search this place. There's a lot of enemies. Oh, this looks perfect! Man, this looks perfect! I can put this chair, swing it over here, and then I can make a little house for me to stay right in here with my weapons to shoot. I'm gonna go get my weapons back. Here's my battle axe to swing his head off. Here's my sword to cut him in half. And my Nerf gun to snipe him. Totally a Walking Dead one. He's destroyed. Let's go on building my fort now. Alright? Put these down and start the fort. Alright, let's build the fort. Start right now. Oh, does this look good? I'm going bigger. Okay, let's see if I fit in here. I'll deal with it for now. Alright, time to get building. Alright, let's get this one first. A little nice carpet. A little nice carpet. Perfect. Alright, I might need help with this. So if I have to, I will call that guy I'm battling with, but it's not correct to do that. I hope it's so long. Is it long enough? No. Okay, let's make it a little closer. Where's that?
How about you try the other one?
That's a perfect idea! Alright. Good thing I got this magical friend. Oh, hi!
I'm magical.
Oh.
In fact, I'm your dog.
That's you, Andy?
Maybe. I'm gonna go chase cars now. Bye.
Okay, I can do it. Oops. I might need help. My imaginary friend. Come from the kitchen, imaginary friend. Hi, imaginary friend.
I'm the person you're battling.
And, oh yeah, can you help me out?
Fine, as long as you help me out with mine.
Oh, that would be a deal.
You gotta do it too.
Okay. So, I pulled.
I heard you cry for your imaginary friend.
Yeah, sorry. I thought.
Okay.
This looks good, but I need something else with that one.
You do? How is this? Maybe you should do this. Oh wait, that's good. How about this? We put this right here.
How is this the door?
Do you want it to be the door?
Sure.
All right, then you can just like climb in. Here we go. You like it?
Yeah, but one problem.
What?
What do you think that was for?
What?
That?
This?
Yeah. Maybe the
I
carpet.
got an idea.
Carpeting?
No, this should be the door. This should be,
No, how is that gonna be a door? It won't.
no. This is going to be back here so no one can see inside your base from the behind. And then this should be your door.
Okay. How do we do this?
Let's do this. There we go. Now I'm going to go
Will
to
it
my
fit?
fort now. Bye.
See ya. All right, this fort's good. I'm just gonna go put the weapons in. Put these whoa, hey! Let's go put this little gun. Oops, my mistake. So, oh, what are you barking at? What are you barking at? Oh, come on with speed. Okay, battle axe time. Oops, sorry. Battle axe is the best axe. Alright, put this right here so it'll fit next to the gun, so he won't see it. And the battle sword, it won't fit in here. I should hide it somewhere else.
Maybe you should put it on top.
Let's try. That's a good idea when I get out, but would that guy steal it?
No, he's too dumb.
Man, you who are so smart.
Thank you. Where is my fort going to be? Well, before that, I should probably grab my weapons. Oh, wait a sec. I know, I should go in Elliot's room. Okay. I should probably put my weapons in here. Perfect landing. Perfect landing, people. Oh. There we go. We don't need the sheets to be, you know, out. We need this, yeah. Now let's see, where's the not long edge? Let's try this. I know. I should call my brother. Elliot. Opponent. Come help me. Are you there? Yeah, you can come. I just need your help. Mad at me?
Yes.
Why?
I don't want you using my blanket. What if I need to go to sleep? And it's like this.
We'll put it back. This is like middle of the day.
All right.
You see, Andy's barking.
Well, let me go check what he's doing.
Pokemon cards. All right, my fort is almost done. I just need to do this. I need to make sure my brother isn't just stalking me. Like, why wouldn't he want to stalk me? Because I'm calling. Let me just make sure. Okay. All right. Now, no. Oh, hi, Andy. Oh, brother, here you are. What was the dog bark?
There was like two girls outside making out. No, it wasn't.
All right, well, looks like my fort's complete.
I know where your fort is now, so I know how to attack you.
I know your fort.
Let's do this. You're on.
Alright. Now that my brother's gone, I should probably grab a pillow. Yeah. Just for shield. Because you never know. Wait, my brother attacked. Quickly. I want you to transform. It worked. On my back. Ready. I'm ready. Charge!